How to choose a rattan pendant light. Consider the room's purpose. Begin by identifying the purpose of the room where you intend to install the rattan pendant light. For task-oriented areas like the kitchen or home office, opt for fixtures with a focused, downward light for optimal illumination. In bedrooms, choose designs that emit a softer and ambient glow, fostering a cozy and relaxed atmosphere. Meanwhile, entryways benefit from warm and inviting pendant lights to set a welcoming tone, while bathrooms require fixtures with moisture-resistant features for both task and ambient lighting. For children's rooms, playful and whimsical rattan pendant lights can contribute to a vibrant and cheerful ambiance. Whether creating a reading nook, enhancing outdoor spaces, or adding a stylish focal point, align the lighting choice with the intended purpose to seamlessly integrate functionality and aesthetics. Evaluate the size of the space. When selecting a rattan pendant light for your space, it's crucial to carefully consider both the size of the room and the height of your ceilings to ensure a harmonious and proportionate lighting arrangement. For larger rooms, such as expansive living areas or open concept spaces, opt for pendant lights with a larger diameter or multiple pendants to adequately fill the space with light. Conversely, in smaller rooms or more intimate settings, a compact or medium-sized rattan pendant light may be more suitable to avoid overwhelming the area. Pay close attention to ceiling height as well. Higher ceilings may warrant a larger or more elongated pendant to create a visually balanced and proportionate look, while lower ceilings may call for a more streamlined and compact design to maintain an unobtrusive feel. Choose the right shape. The shape of the pendant light plays a significant role in defining its visual impact. Consider the room's layout and your personal preferences when selecting a shape. Dome or bell shape. Dome or bell-shaped rattan pendants that feature a rounded, downward curving design. This shape provides a focused and concentrated light, making it suitable for task lighting or as a central pendant in dining areas. Drum or cylinder shape. This shape often allows for a broader distribution of light, making it suitable for general illumination in spaces like living rooms or bedrooms. Teardrop or conical shape. Teardrop or conical rattan pendants feature a tapered design that narrows towards the bottom. This elegant shape is visually striking and often used for creating focal points in rooms. Geometric shapes. Rattan pendants can also come in various geometric shapes, including squares, rectangles, or hexagons. Basket or woven basket shape. Mimicking the natural look of a woven basket, these pendant lights often have an open, airy design. The woven rattan creates interesting patterns of light and shadow, contributing to a bohemian or coastal aesthetic. Consider your budget. When establishing a budget for your lighting project, consider the diverse price ranges available for rattan pendant lights. In the lower price range, you can find attractive options ranging from approximately $50 to $150, providing budget-friendly yet stylish lighting solutions. Moving into the mid-range, pendant lights typically fall within the $150 to $300 bracket, offering a balance between design aesthetics and enhanced features. For those seeking premium or artisanal rattan pendant lights with intricate designs or unique materials, the higher-end options can extend beyond $300. By pinpointing your preferred price range, you can navigate the market more efficiently, ensuring that your chosen rattan pendant light not only meets your style preferences but also aligns with your specific budget constraints.